Every production cycle depends on clean equipment. For one of our customers in the coating industry, color tanks were becoming a recurring maintenance challenge. Heavy color and pigment residues accumulated inside the tanks over time, making cleaning difficult and time-consuming. The existing cleaning process required significant manual effort, increased maintenance downtime, and often left behind stubborn residue that could impact the next production batch. The customer needed a solution that could effectively remove color deposits while reducing cleaning time and improving operational efficiency. After evaluating the application, e-control devices recommended TMC HFE-377E engineered fluid. Known for its excellent solvency and fast evaporation characteristics, TMC HFE-377E was introduced into the tank cleaning process to tackle the accumulated color residues. The results were immediate. Color and pigment deposits were removed more effectively, reducing the need for excessive manual scrubbing. Cleaning cycles became faster, helping the maintenance team return equipment to production more quickly. The tanks were left cleaner with minimal residue remaining after the process. As a result, the customer achieved improved cleaning efficiency, reduced downtime, and a more consistent maintenance process.